Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI on WhatsApp for beginners. So if you want to use the Meta AI, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device because Meta AI features are available in the newer WhatsApp updates. And to access the Meta AI, you can just open your WhatsApp application and then go to chat. You can just click on this icon. So this is the Meta AI. Now you can just tap on the chat input in here. Then you can just write the prompt or the you can start a conversation. So you can see a message field in here. You can type your requests or questions in a natural language. For example, you can just uh, write me, or let's try. Can you explain? Give, can you give me a brief explanation of summer? Let's try that. You can hit on enter or send, and it will show you the result. And here when you send a request at the Meta after it send the response, you can see this is a text-based query. Meta AI will provide relevant information or summaries. If it's text, you can copy or forward the result as needed. First, you can just long press on the result and then use forward or copy in here. But if you ask for an image, Meta AI will send a generated image, and you can tap on the image to view it and save or download it to your device. You can also continue the conversation by refining your prompt for more specific results. So in addition to image generations or quick questions like this, you can use Meta AI for setting reminders, summarizing conversation or documents, and creating personalized replies for common queries. And so that's all for me. I hope this simple Meta AI tutorial for beginners will be helpful for you. And if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you still have questions about the Meta AI. And don't forget to click on the thanks and subscribe buttons. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!